This morning, I noticed my loaf of bread is going stale, so I realized it's about time to make a video about what Jews do when their bread goes bad. Two valid options would be what to either make out of it toast or French toast. Many Jews do that, however, there are other options. In Judaism, we view bread as the holiest food staple, where it even has its own unique blessings. With that being in mind, many Jews will never throw out their bread, and instead give it to the birds to eat, as it shouldn't go to waste. If you have your own bird as I do, give it to her. This is my Eclectus parrot Lola. Isn't she adorable? As a last resort, when they need to throw out their bread, many Jews will wrap the bread in 2 plastic bags and place their bread softly on the top part of their trash can. Some people will even kiss the bread right before they place it in the trash can. We do this to show the uttermost respect we have for bread, as it's the most basic staple we have. Once again, you throw out your bread, not your bird. Yada bye.